Mrs. Janita Madam, please welcome Madam. You give a few inspirational words to the students. Come on to the dais, ma'am. Please.
Good afternoon, everyone. Happy English Language Day. English Day is celebrated on April 23rd internationally. So that is not possible for us, and especially after the Telangana formation, the government has been decided to celebrate this English Day on the occasion of the birthday of Srimati Sarojini Naidu. Actually, it is the English Day is celebrated as the birthday of Shakespeare, international level. Who is he, He is the father of English language. Shakespeare is the father of English literature. He is the novelist, educationalist, poet, dramatist. So many qualities he is having. Because of him only the language has been developed international level, and all over the world English language is spoken by majority of people. That's what English is known as international language. If you want to go abroad or anywhere, definitely you must know English language. If you know subject 100%, but if you don't know English, it will be very difficult to manage in other countries. Don't forget your mother tongue, but English became very important. So that's what you must concentrate more and practice. Then it will be very useful in your further studies. Present, we are celebrating whose birthday? Is it Shakespeare's birthday or Sarojini Naidu's birthday? She is having one title. What is the title? Yeah, Nightingale of India. Why? Because she wrote so many poems, so many books, freedom fighter, and she was the first lady governor. Okay, and she knows many languages like English, Urdu, Telugu, and got the title of the Nightingale of India. And her main books are The Golden Threshold, The Word of Time, and The Broken Wing. These all reflect her deep poetic sensibility and patriotic spirit.
Today celebrating English Language Day. A speech on English Language Day can highlight the language's importance, its role in global communications and its rich history. You can also celebrate day by participating in a poetry slam of open mic night. Importance of English language. English is a key language for personal and professional growth, and it's used in many fields including business and entertainment. Global communications. English is an essential tool for global cooperations and diplomacy. It's one of the working language of the United Nations. History of English language. The speed of this English around the world has a complex history including colonization and migration. William Shakespeare. Shakespeare is a creative with languages, contribute many new words and provides to the English language, including gossip, fashionable and loneliness. Thank you one and all.
Very good, Prashanti, wonderfully given speech. Next,
praise him, praise him. Praise in the morning, praise in the night, praise morning, praise in the night, praise him, praise him, praise in the morning, praise in the night, praise him, praise him, praise when the sun goes down, praise when the sun goes down, love him. Love him, love in the morning, love in the night, love in the morning, love in the night. Love him, love him, love when the sun goes down, love when the sun goes down. Adore him, adore him, adore in the morning, adore in the night, adore in the morning, adore in the night. Adore him, adore him, adore when the sun goes down, adore when the sun goes down. praise Him, praise Him. Praise in the morning, praise in the no time. Praise in the morning, praise in the no time. Praise Him, praise Him. Praise when the sun goes down. Praise when the sun goes down. Thank you.
Introduction will be given by Srinita.
Going to give a introduction about the choreography of the poem Trees. In this choreography, we can see that how the human beings are damaged trees and killing animals for their own benefits. So if the trees and animals, which are the natural resources, could talk, how they will respond for the crueler activity of human beings can be seen in this choreography, and how the mother's earth will be feel our crucially. So my dear friends, let's watch the beautiful choreography of our class 7th and enjoy. Thank you.
What would it say? What would it say? Don't jump it down, just walk away. Don't jump it down, just walk away. Fiddle could talk. What would it say? What would it say? Don't dump in trash, throw it away. Don't dump in trash, throw it away. If the ear could talk, what would it say? What would it say? Don't chop it down, just walk away. Don't chop it down, just walk away. If a river could talk, what would it say? What would it say? Don't dump in trash, throw it away. Don't dump in trash, throw it away. If the air could talk, what would it say? What would it say? The factory is mass, land to kiss more. Factory is mass, land to kiss more. If animal could talk, what would it say? What would they say? Help us to live, we wish to say. Help us to live, we wish to say. That the good talk, what would it say? Protect me by making your day. 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 And today.
We gather here to tell you on this very special day we're all so very happy to wish and to you say. We gather here to tell you on this very special day we're all so very happy to wish and to you say. Welcome one and all of you to celebrate this wonderful day. We hope to entertain you, make you happy, come on, May. Welcome one and all of you to celebrate this wonderful day. We hope to entertain you, make you happy, come on, May. So join in the celebration, it's time to pay our due. That was carefully prepared and brought out just for you. to play. Give me a God to pray. Give me a bell to ring, give me a song to sing, give me a pen to write, give me a song to play, give me guitar to play, give me a God to pray, give me a heart to stay. Give me a song to sing, give me a bell to ring, give me a bell to ring, give me a song to sing. Give me a toy to play, give me a toy to say, give me a book to read, give me love I need, give me wings to fly, give me wings to fly, give me a chance to try. Give me a song to sing, give me a bell to ring, give me a bell to ring, ding-a-ding-a-ding, ding-a-ding-a-ding. Sing-a-ling-a-ling, sing-a-ling-a-ling.
I am going to give a small introduction of the choreography of the poem River. Today we are going to perform a choreography of the poem River. In this poem, the river, when it is taking birth, it looks like a small child who always jumps, plays and walks in improper way. After that, it grows its size, speed and makes a loud sound and flows with great pressure, which resembles a youth. Then it takes the shape like a fully filled boat and deep flowing river which reduces its speed, stays still and looks very bored, which resembles a middle-aged lady who settled in life and thinks that her duty has been over. Then at last the river takes a headlong shape and without any speed, slowly it makes a small path and tries to come out and joins the ocean. In the same way, an old people who waits for death, the river also flows and joins the ocean, which is compared with God. Now let's watch the choreography and enjoy. Thank you.
Sparkle on your way to the yellow pebbles dancing through the flowers foliage dancing like a child at play, like a child at play, like a child at play. Oh river, 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 little river, bright you sparkle on your way. Oh the yellow pebbles dancing through the flowers foliage dancing like a child at play, like a child at play, like a child at play. Oh river, 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 spilling river, and you rush and up and smooth, louder, faster, bravely weeping, over us by roofing sweeping, like a impetus you, like a impetus you, like a impetus you. Oh river, 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 spilling river, and you rush and rough and smooth, louder, faster, bravely weeping, over us by dancing sweeping, like a impetus youth, like a impetus youth, like a impetus youth. Oh river, 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 booming river, bold and deep and still as time, seeming still in motion, tending on us to the ocean, just like mortal prime, just like mortal prime, just like mortal prime. Oh river, 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 long river, down you dash and into the sea. See that line heart never sounded. See the shallot never rounded. Like a internet, like a internet, like a internet. Oh river, 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 headlong river, down you dash into the sea. See that line hath never sounded. See the snail hath never rounded. Like a eternity, like a eternity, like a eternity, oh river.
HM, madam, teachers, and my dear friends. Good afternoon to all. Today I want to give a important of English. English is very important in our life. English is the third most spoken language in the world. It is necessary to know English to connect with social media. English is a language that keeps us connected with the whole world. If you want to get a job, so English is essential. English language give to more confidence. Today in many school and also college has required to speak only in English. English language enable us to read all the books of international writers. English language tells our personality with confidence. We must recognize the importance of English language. Thank you so much for giving this opportunity to give this small importance of English. Thank you.
Give me a
మేము చదువుకునేటప్పుడు ఇలాంటి ఏమి లేవు మాకెవరు చెప్పలే. ఇంత బాగా చేస్తారు అని కూడా నేను అనుకోలేదు అసలు. మేడం గారికి ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ థ్యాంక్స్ చెప్పుకోవాలి. చాలా అద్భుతంగా కళ్ళకు కట్టినట్టు తక్కువ టైంలో ఏ ప్రోగ్రామ్ అయినా సరే 100% సక్సెస్ చేస్తుంది మేడం. ఇలాంటి మన స్కూల్లో అసలు ఇన్ని ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ జరుగుతున్నాయని ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఎవరికి తెలియదు. మీరు వెళ్ళి మీ పేరెంట్స్ తో చెప్తున్నారా ఇలా ఉంది మా స్కూల్లో అని? చెప్తున్నారా లేదా? చెప్పాలి ఖచ్చితంగా. మేడం గ్రేట్ అనేది మీ వాళ్ళందరికీ తెలియాలి కదా. బాగా చదివి ఏదో డాక్టర్ లాయర్ అవన్నీ అవడం వేరు. ఒక ఉపాధ్యాయురాలు ఎంతమంది డాక్టర్లను ఎంతమంది లాయర్లను చేసే అంత సత్తా ఒక ఉపాధ్యాయునికి మాత్రమే ఉంటది. ఆ ఘనత ఇంత పెద్ద ప్రోగ్రామ్ సక్సెస్ చేసినందుకు మేడం గారికి థ్యాంక్ యూ చెప్తున్నా. మరి కొంతమందిని నాకు ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ లో కొంతమంది చేసిన యాక్టివిటీలో నాకు కొన్ని నచ్చినాయి. వాళ్ళకి నేను రేపు సపరేట్ ప్రైజులు పంపిస్తా ఇక్కడికి. ఓకేనా? థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Thank you so much, madam, for your encouragement.
Hi, Mr. Elephant.
How are you?
I am fine. What about you?
I am so good. If you don't mind, may I ask you a question?
Why not?
How old are you?
I am just 35 years old.
Oh, you are looking so angry. I am younger and so small. What are the secret?
I am a Santur girl. I may ask same question. You too. How old are you, Mr. Elephant?
I am just 5 year old.
I am a Santur girl. May I ask same question you too? How old are you, Mr. Elephant?
I am just 5 years old.
What are you? 5 years, baby? But you, but you are looking so big. What secret?
I am a complimental boy.
Oh,
I am complaint boy.
oh. Thank you.